Okay, here's the puppies at 4.5 weeks old. Running around the pen, the whelping box. Some of them already escaping. We're going to have to put the level up a little bit soon. Look at them go. I just changed the paper so you know they're all going to just want to pee and poop because that's what they do. Oops. I was going to try and get the close-up shot and I messed it up. Hi! Say hi! That's Thor. A selfie. They're all down here. Little Zeus over there. Oh, what's he getting? His own tail? Let's see, I gotta just look at the paws of this girl. I know who I'm talking about. Here is let's see. Okay, Thor knows who he is. I'm just trying to orientate myself to where they all are. There's Sophie. Here is Noodle. Hi Noodle, how's it going today? Coming up for your close-up? Oh, stepping on Thor's tail. Watch out, little girl. I mean, that's Zeus, not Thor. Sorry. They got me confused. Oh, uh-oh, we have an attack. We have Sophie attacking Noodle. That's not a good idea, Sophie. Hey, let's be nice. Let's be nice. Yeah. They like to rumble and tumble now. There's Noodle looking a big face. Yeah, it's a big girl. She did a big yawn. And who else is here? Sophie's looking for someone to pick on, I think. Big troublemaker today? Uh-oh. No, Zeus didn't like getting stepped on, so he's going to attack Sophie. And here comes Noodle's going to go on top of everybody. Thor's staying out of it today. He's going to stay in the corner. Like, don't get me. I'll be good. Look at that corner, girl. Somebody's going to sleep. Thor thought that would be a good idea. Hey, you guys are getting rough. I'd be a little gentle. Gonna settle down so quick. I wanted you to play some more. Noodle. Let's see your noodle face. There she is. Here's Sophie's close-up. Is that your close-up? Oh, look, I'm getting puppy licks. Here's Zeus with his little tip of his tail. There's a frisky girl trying to eat one of the stuffed animals over there. There goes Noodle and Thor looking for escape routes. Thor? Hey, where do you think you're going? Gonna start the fire? Like, this wood pile's in my way. I could almost make it out. What's Sophie doing? You looking for that little crack on the way out? What are you doing, Sophie? There's that girl. You know your name. Oh, it's pitiful. Noodle's in a timeout. We have Zeus and the little girl over here. Zeus is attacking the bear. Oh, we have cleanup on aisle 7. Oh, and this one, they're all kind of settling down now. Hey, Thor, peekaboo. Hey, you. No, don't eat the paper. It's got pee on it. Okay, we'll be back.